Hey there, Luke Kaliński from SNowIT speaking. I'm thrilled to welcome you back to our channel. Today we are diving into some game-changing solutions that are designed to elevate your ServiceNow experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you are in for a treat. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss out on the latest insights and innovative solutions we share here at SNowIT. Now, let's get down to business. I'll explain you how to modify your current UI actions which are placed in standard UI to show them in the workspace and also utilize their functions. So as you can see at the top, we have several buttons, right, in the workspace, and we have those buttons also in the standard UI. But as you can see, some of the styles was, for example, not applied, as this declarative button is not applied with the same style in here in the workspace. So let's go into the details. The main table, which stores information about the relationships between the workspace and the actions that should be shown, is this SysUX form action. So as you can see, we have different types of the action like UI action and declarative action, but in this video we'll focus only on UI actions. And as you can see on the right side, we have reference to our standard UI actions. So let's go into the actions. This is fully custom button with some simple function, right? So as you could see, the font style was not applied to the workspace, but let's focus on the scripts. So on standard UI, we are using this function and we are using this setValue method to place proper group. On the workspace, what is important, when I mark this form button as true and save and insert the action, then the relationship will be created automatically in that SysUX form action table, right? And what is important in here, we have access to gform, so we can use the same method. So let's see how it works on the standard UI. So if I click assign custom, let me delete this. So if I click assign custom, as you can see, agile theme was applied. How it works on workspace, so let me remove it. And then if I click assign custom, then as you can see, it's applied. So this is the easiest way how to manage the things. This is fully out of the box button, which allows you to choose assign to person, right? So modal is displayed in the standard UI. So as you can see, we are using this method to display that modal, but also to have the same function, I mean, to present how it works in the workspace, I have marked this workspace form button as true, then the relationship was created. So let's see how it works in standard UI. So once I click that button, this modal will be displayed, right? So we are able to choose assign to. But when we switch to workspace, when we use access button, when I'm clicking it, as you can see, nothing happens because the logic is not applied. So in another button, I will show you how to create the function to utilize the same function. This is custom button, right? So this is a copy of access button. So we are using the same method in standard UI, but in our workspace, we are using different method. So let me start from the bottom. So to have this model, we are using gmodal and showing fields method. So in here, we are specifying some attributes. And what is most important, in fields, we are specifying what fields we would like to display. And also in here, as it is a choice field, we are applying some choices. So these choices are collected via API. So I'll present it in a minute. But then when the form is submitted, we are specifying those actions. So we are setting assign to with the value that was chosen as a first field, right? And then we are setting state to access and we are saving the form. So as you can see at the top, we are using the choices in here, right? So we are pushing display value and the value from the API, and we are just pointing to this custom API to collect the data. So this is the way how you can manage these things. How it works on the standard UI, when we click access custom, we are using the same model as it is out of the box, right? But if we go to the workspace, now I click access custom. As you can see, then this model is displayed. We can choose the options that we have collected. So if I choose able tutor, click assign. As you can see, able tutor is applied and also the state has changed. So this is more advanced way how you can collect the data and how you can manipulate it in the workspace. If you want to see the code and the related things, just visit our blog. I appreciate you spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe and explore our website at snowit.co. Your support keeps us going. Exciting things are on the horizon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.